It's a beautiful day, the sun's shining. I'm out on my bike, riding at about 20, in a 30, but coming to a 20 zone. Get overtaken by a van a little closer than I like, but the timing is more of the issue. Up ahead is a van that's just turned to the right. They would have been blocking the view of the driver behind, of traffic coming towards them. So that car driver is going to see me for just a split second, and I'm going to disappear behind the view of the van. Has that driver seen me? Have they not? I don't know. If there's nothing behind me, then they may try and take the turn. So what you got to do is a quick shoulder check, see if there's anything coming. If there's something coming, you can use that to protect you. If there's nothing coming, then you may want to move over to the right, make yourself really visible, as I have here. That driver can see me earlier, and hope that they don't go, um, and carry on going nice and safely. Everything works out. The next driver shows exactly what a good overtake looks like. Keep safe out there and carry on pedaling.